Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
There are many high-risk and highly likely hazards associated with chainsaw use. Some common hazards are: you can cut yourself, kickback, noise, vibrations, eyes injuries, the chain can derail, break, head injuries, back injuries, crushing under falling tree and so on.
Let's help you make your mark.
Circular saw. The circular saw is safer because it's less powerful and held firmly in your hand. The safety factor is greatly improved by not making bone-headed cuts. Sheet goods have little internal stress, so with proper support shouldn't ever pinch.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The 5 most dangerous power tools. Table saw. These deadly tools are responsible for over 30,000 injuries every year. Chainsaw. This should come as no surprise, but chainsaws are deadly. Nail guns. These tools can take hours out of tedious construction work, but they're remarkably dangerous. Circular saws. Riding lawnmower.
Take our lead.
What is the best cheap chainsaw? Remington RM4214 chainsaw. Remington RM4618 chainsaw. Works WG309 2-in-1 chainsaw. Works WG304 1 chainsaw. Greenworks 20672 pole chainsaw. Black Plus Decker LCS 1020 chainsaw.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.